How are you supposed to pause the video?
That's the thing. This is much easier if someone's holding it. Well, let's see. All right, 3, 2, 1. 1. Two. Gotcha. I got that on camera too. All right, 3. That's 3. Ow! Someone got me. There's 4. That's 4. I got 2 more. That's gonna get the tree. 5. Got your knee. There's 1 more right by your feet. There you go. You got it.
I got 4.
You got 4. You got 5. What's by your foot? You just dropped 1. You got 5 now or 4?
5.
Okay. There's only 1 left. You got my belly. All right, we're gonna pause. Here we go. I think I'm on the camera. 1. Oh, good. 4. You're not getting stuck this time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, none of these get stuck. 12. The one that shoots slow is when you go by. 13. No.
Claude. No. No.
Oh, no. Oh, 14 bullets. I gotta find them. All right, this is the Nerf shotgun. It's actually working a lot better than it used to. And we are gonna pause.
Right.
Okay, we're unpaused.
Okay.
And what are we doing today, by the way?
First, we're gonna shoot J-A, J-O, and A-N.
All right, we're shooting targets.
Those are just made-up names that we made.
Okay, made up names for the targets. You want to get a little bit closer? All right, you got to get closer because you can't miss the tree. Let me pause it. Okay, I'm unpaused.
I wonder who's... Oh, J-O. Okay, J-O.
You can't shoot from that close. Too close.
Okay. Got it. You guys see how hard it is to shoot these Fortnite?
You got to take your time and aim. There, you got it.
J-O is defeated.
J-O?
Yep. Now
Okay.
it's time for J-A.
Did it bounce off of? Oh, I hit the trunk. That's what happened. There you go. Only 1 left.
A-N.
You got it.
Yeah. Pause.
All right, pause.
Pause the Hershvina. Oof.
Ready? We're unpaused. And Chris is going to shoot the advanced... Don't shoot me in the face. The advanced shotgun.
3, 2, 1. First one. A-N. Oh.
There's 1 target. There's 2 targets.
Finally, J-O.
There's 3. There we go. 3 for 3.
Okay, pause.
All right, pause.
Wow, that's so cool. Pause the Hershvina. Hey.
You want to pause?
Yep.
All right, aim at the target. I'm going to try to do it from here.
Okay.
This,
It bounced off.
this. Got it. 3. This. Got it. Oh, it's like right in the middle.
I know.
I'm out.
Okay.
Want to pause?
I'm gonna pause.
Or do you want to take your turn? I got the bullets. Okay, Cool Chris is about to shoot the pistol.
Yeah.
Right? Boom, 1. Direct hit.
I only put 2 in the gun.
Okay. Well, it's kind of hard to miss from there. You're like an inch away. Good shot. Okay. 3 for 3. Try coming back a little bit more. Like right here.
Oh yeah, I'll do a challenge. Oh, there it is.
Did you find it? You got a good eye, because I have no idea where it went. All right, I'm pausing. And here we go. We are on pause. Cool Christopher's turn. Too close. Too close. A little bit back more. All right, direct hit, but come back. You're too close to the target.
Okay.
Try from like right here.
You want to know this?
Hmm?
I'm going to do it backwards.
Oh, you got the tree. Do you want to try the shotgun or no?
Maybe.
Okay. Direct hit.
Is it pause?
Oh, you want to pause? Okay, we're going to...
Actually, you need about
2? Well, you had to reload.
Yeah.
We're going to try it with the pistol. I missed. There we go. All right, look out. Bingo. So I'm 1 out of 2.
Okay.
Now, the question is, do I make this last one or do I get it and get 2 out of 3? Come on, move your hand. 2 out of 3.
Oof.
That's an oof. Okay, we're going to pause. We're almost at 9 minutes.
Oof,
Oof. Okay, Cool Christopher is going to use the pistol. Did it fall? Oh, you got the baby gun. That's the beginner gun. That thing doesn't even hardly shoot. All right, come on, come on. If we're going to shoot, shoot. Did it even move? Oh my God. I swear that bullet is like broken.
I can't even move it because of the charger. And the bullet.
The bullet might be torn in half by now.
I can't even shoot it.
Yeah, see, it's jacked up.
Fine.
Okay. I'm trying this with one hand. Got it. I knocked the target off.
Yo!
I guess
Where'd the other bullet go?
I only shot 1. It's over there.
Oof, oof,
I gotta pause this. It's not easy with one hand. Am I fully loaded? I don't know. I gotta reload this.
Oof, oof, oof,
Of course I would forget on camera. Ready?
Ready.
Oh, at the same time.
Oof.
That's an oof. There's an oof. Okay. The wind might blow it. Gotta go now. Ready?
Ready.
It actually stuck. I gotta pause. Well, no, I don't have to pause it. Wait. Ready?
Ready.
Shoot.
My bullet got,
I missed.
my bullet got blocked by yours.
It's about. Look out, Chris. You're right in the way. This target is about to fall. There it goes. All right. All right. You want to call it? Well, let's say goodbye to the fans.
Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye.
Let me do-
Cool.
I'll do the reverse thing so we can say goodbye. Okay.
Bye, guys.
Thanks for watching, Savage Dan and Cool Chris.
Yeah, cool. Help us beat the group.
Target shooting.
Remember. I don't know what I was about to say.
All right.
Bye,
we'll see everyone later.